What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can see, we're actually in a really different type of environment right now. I ended up moving to Texas, so this is my first car project in Texas. Not really a project, just gonna do an oil change as we drove 3,000 miles. But we are at the O'Reilly's parking lot. I don't have the pleasure of having my own driveway anymore. So I asked the manager if I could just work out here in their parking lot. They said as long as it's on the side of the building, we're good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start changing the oil on this. I've already done a video on how to do it, so I'm not gonna get into too much depth. I got my tools over here on the side. So got everything ready, good to go. And I'm just probably gonna just do this as a time lapse, just so you guys can take a look at me doing this, just making sure it's getting done, and I just have it as video proof for the future owners of this car if I ever do end up selling it. So let's go ahead, start lifting this up and changing the oil. So guys, I kid you not, I'm actually really thankful. I was working in the O'Reilly's parking lot. So this is my drain plug. And I don't know if you guys remember, there was like a little magnetic rod over here. As I was cleaning this, that magnetic rod broke right off, and you can see there's some metal shavings when it snapped right off. So I'm just really glad I was in this parking lot and not in an apartment complex working on this car, because I would have had to drive with these metal shavings, which could have gotten into the engine, or I would have had to like Uber or walk. So really thankful. I don't know where I threw that piece. I probably just threw it somewhere in the car because I don't see it on the floor. But I was able to get another plug. This should fit right up, and that's why you go OEM. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to run this for this oil change, and then the next oil change I'll change this out. This was just an act of desperation. So yeah, fun times. So check this out, guys. This is the magnetic piece that snapped off as I was cleaning it. So really thankful again that I was here. And don't buy these cheap Chinese oil plugs. These are just trash. Like, this could have ruined my motor. This little piece could have ruined my motor. Guys, and that's it. I've changed the oil on the Civic. It was like 5,000 miles on the last oil change, which I try to do it every 3, but with the move it was almost impossible to do that. So big shout out to O'Reilly's for helping me out. Let me change the oil in their parking lot, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.